Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Elecvos brand. They're over-the-counter rechargeable hearing aids for adults with active noise cancellation technology and wireless magnetic charging. This is the box it comes in. We're going to open this up, see what's inside here. Here's the user manual. Here's the little hearing aid holder, which is what holds the whole hearing aids. You look at the back right here. It has a USB-A port, so this can be used as a power bank, which is unique. There's the USB Type-C connection for charging. Let's see what's inside this box here. So here is the included USB-A to USB-C flat cable, very nice. And here is extra pieces for the ear and a little cleaning brush. That's nice. So let's open this up. Just take a look at this. There's the front right there. You open it up this way. And there's the two hearing aids right there, already in place with the magnetic charging. Now let's go over some of the specifications of this and what's unique about it. So this gets unbelievably high ratings, 5-star on Amazon. You rarely see that, so people really seem to like this product. So this is one of the new categories of OTC, over-the-counter, and allows consumers to buy directly without visiting a hearing aid professional. They're designed to help adults hear better, improve mild to moderate hearing loss. So this is 100% rechargeable, this little magnetic holder. Once it's placed in the stylish charging box, the charging mode will be turned on automatically. It takes just 3 hours to fully charge. It can be used for 25 hours. If you charge it for longer than that, you can fully get 500 hours of use on this. So that's many days. That's nice. Now this is unique because it's really simple to operate. We're going to show that. It's an invisible design. You notice that it's set up to be like the color of skin, so that it easily blends in, so that you don't have to worry about being seen using them. And they're ergonomically designed, fits the ear canal tightly, and you don't have to worry about distinguishing between left and right ears. And that's really nice. This also has unique noise canceling technology inside here. We're going to test that out. And there's some kind of a display there. We're going to power this and take a look. So the noise reduction should be reducing the noise by 95%, which is a large amount. And we're going to test it out on my ears and see how it does. And it should be easy to operate with one-touch power, and also hitting the switch, which is going to change the volume level of it. These have a very large battery capacity, and because it's chargeable, you're not changing little tiny batteries, which is really hard for anybody to do. And you get older, it's harder because you need to wear glasses to see closer. This you don't have to worry about that, because they're going to be charged with the internal lithium-ion battery in there. So again, that 5 hours, you charge it, you get 500 hours. That's unbelievable. So it shows that they don't draw a lot of energy, and they're going to last a long time. And again, it's one button operation, long press power on, and then you could adjust the volume. There's 4 volume levels, and a beep prompts the volume level. So this way, operation is very simple and clear, and very suitable for elderly people or any adults to use. They're tiny and lightweight. The combination of the charging case and the hearing aids themselves is very lightweight, and this is a small profile too. It's not going to take up a lot of space anywhere that you're carrying them. Put it right in your pocket. And the power bank is unique. I've never seen that before, because you're taking advantage of the large capacity. And we're going to test that out to see how that power bank works on the bottom of that also. There are different sizes available in this packet right here. Pick the size that fits your ear properly, then you're ready to test it out. After you use them, you just put them right back in place. There are little tiny contacts on there that are made of gold, and they're on springs also. And all you gotta do is place them back in there. The magnet pulls it back in place and charges it. Really nice. I really like how they laid this out. It's very simple to operate. So check this out. What I'm doing here is I'm using the included cable on the USB-A port. Now it's being used as a power bank. So you see it's starting to drop down. What it's doing, it's charging my Pixel 6. So this can charge anything that has a USB-A cable, even the vacuum cleaner, a small one. So that's nice. So the storage battery in here is not only to charge the two hearing aids, but also a power bank to charge anything with the USB-A port on there. And the company, according to the manual, offers a 60-day full refund and return and a full year of free replacement. And you can contact them. There is an email right there, or using the Amazon messaging system. Charging them is very simple. You could use the cable that it comes with, which is USB-A to USB-C, and the charger that you want to use 2 or 2.1 or 3 amp to charge the hearing aids. And you can see it's blinking and it's advancing and it's charging. So when it's fully charged, this display will show 100% and those LEDs will turn off. When it's fully charged, you'll be able to charge the hearing aids 5 to 6 times in one cycle of charging the internal battery. Now that they're charged, let's give it a try. We're going to hold down this button, 3 seconds. See, the LED comes on, then the LED goes off to save energy. And now if I put them in my ear, let me just listen. I can hear it amplifying, and I can change the volume level. Watch, I'll hit this once. You hear that beep again. So then it goes back to the original volume. So that's how you adjust the volume. Let's try them on my head now. So there I have them in my ear. There's the one there, there's the other one, there's the other one there. And very loud, I can hear everything. There's a clock in my kitchen that I set up, a mechanical one, and I can hear it. That's pretty amazing. So I could hit the button and I could increase the volume in each ear, and now it's even a little bit louder. And your ears will adjust to the sound and the increase in the volume level. But it's very clear. Now in terms of noise, there's a slight hissing noise, but that's why it has the filtration in there. So it's not a lot of noise like you'd expect considering how much is amplifying it. I can hear my fingers clicking really loud. And what's nice is you get all the stereo perception because you are amplifying each ear. You want to always make sure that you have them at the same power level, unless you have an ear that hears less, then you can adjust that one accordingly. But typically you're going to have them at the same volume level. But it sounds good. I mean, it's really clear. I can hear that clock in the distance there. So I like the way they feel. It takes a little getting used to them, getting them in. But once you push them in, they should stay in place. Once you pick the right size for your ear, then you'll be all set. So after testing, what do you think about the Elecvos brand, or over-the-counter rechargeable hearing aids for adults? That active noise cancellation. This is a really well thought out product. You have the ability to change the sizes, whatever fits your ear. This is a standalone unit with its own battery supply. It has a power bank function, charge in function, and these really cool hearing aids and that nice display letting you know the capacity of this. It's so small you can bring it with you anywhere. Just really nice. And as I demonstrated, this thing really worked. The noise cancellation worked. Simple operation worked really well in my ears. So I'm going to recommend this product. Anybody that needs to have their hearing enhanced, this is a great product to do that. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.